Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in a way that are easy to understand. All right, let's get started. In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to get the best results from customer support. Now, this is a lively topic as everyone has different experiences with customer support. And as a person who's been doing IT and customer support for over a decade now, I can tell you some tips on how I deal with customer support when I need to call them as well. Now, the first tip is going to be to be friendly to them. They're probably getting yelled at on the phone, or someone else had a bad user at them already. So if you come on the phone and say, like, if you're just friendly with them, or if you're so frustrated, tell them like, hey, I'm frustrated at my problem and not you, but you're probably going to hear a little bit of that. That gives the person on the other end a little bit of a breath of fresh air to be like, okay, great. So I'm not a terrible person. And so that makes them want to help you more and get your problem solved, which is what you want is the end goal, right? Second is to have screenshots, model numbers, serial numbers, all of that information readily available so that they don't have to ask you those questions. If you just go on to like, hey, I have this problem with my iPhone, the first question is going to be like, what model do you have? Skip that step and already have that information ready so you can get farther down the line. Third is know that they have a script of questions that they have to ask you, like, did you turn it off or on again? And just things that you might have already tried that are already simple, but do those so that they can either get to the more technical problems or get your ticket escalated further. And those are going to be the 3 best tips to get you the best support with customer support. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.